Motherhood is one of life's most profound and beautiful experiences. Behind all the giggles and the beautiful photos, there's a reality that many mothers don't talk about. The exhaustion, the self-doubt, isolation. There's an age-old African saying that goes, "It takes a village to raise a child." But in today's world, many mothers are raising children in isolation.
Modern society has created a gap between the mothers and the support system that once surrounded them. Urbanization, busy lifestyle, and digital living have weakened the extended family structures and community connections that once made up a mother's village. Many women find themselves navigating this sacred journey alone, with little help and fewer moments to tend to their own well-being.
Why it is important? Statistics do paint a sobering picture. 1 in every 5 mothers in low to middle income status countries has been reported to experience postpartum depression. Over 60% of mothers in the Ugandan urban life settings report to feel unsupported in the very first year of their children's lives. Many new mothers delay in seeking healthcare due to reasons of time constraints, financial constraints, but also a lack of trust in the options available. This lack of support does not only impact the emotional and mental health of the mother, but also the development and well-being of the children. When a mother thrives, her family thrives.
As sick care, we deeply rooted in the belief that no mother should walk this journey alone. And that's exactly why we have created a holistic approach to maternal care that goes beyond hospital walls.
We go beyond checkups and deliveries, so we offer connection, compassion, and a community.
Need emotional support? We listen and do not judge.
Need reliable pediatric and maternity care? We deliver trusted expertise.
Need time to just breathe? We are your safe space.
From the moment you see your baby's heartbeat in a 4-day scan to those moments of silent overwhelm in the middle of the night, we don't stop at being your healthcare providers. We are your people.
We envision a Uganda where every mother is surrounded by support, including access to maternal health care, emotional and community support being the norm and not an exception. Our vision for It Takes a Village includes wellness clinics and support groups for every new and expecting mothers. Number 2, integrated pediatric and postnatal care tailored to the mother's journey. Number 3, community outreaches and education programs that do actually bridge the gap between homes and healthcare. Number 4, celebrating mothers not only on Mother's Day, but every day in every small and big way.
To honor your strength, love, and resilience, every mama who joins our journey stands a chance to win a luxurious getaway, because sometimes the best medicine simply time to rest and feel seen.
Motherhood is magic, but only when we care together.
So here is our promise. For every mama, we are your village.